First, log into your Spotify account. Once logged in, go to your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Here, click on Settings. Next, scroll down and find the option of Premium Plan. If you cannot find it here, go back and click on Account. Here, you will see the plan you currently have on Spotify. If it is already the Premium Family Plan, you are all set. But if you want to switch to the Premium Family Plan, follow these steps. Click on Subscriptions Available, then swipe down to find the Premium Family option. Here, click on Select. Now, if you are looking to join an existing Premium Family plan, you will need to ask the plan manager to send you an invitation. The only way to join a family plan is by receiving an invitation from the manager. You can also purchase a direct account from here. Once you receive the invitation, simply click on the link provided. This will prompt you to join the Spotify Family Plan. That's it. You have successfully joined the Spotify Family Plan. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.